Hello everyone, I am Ankit Kumar and I welcome you all to Education Circuit, and I hope your preparation would have been going on very well. And today we are going to cover very important defense current affairs, and these are that much important current affairs that you will directly see questions from these questions in your competitive examinations. Whatever examination you are going to face like FCAT, NDA, CDS, INET and any other competitive examination apart from these examinations. Okay, so please listen to every point attentively and carefully, and please make short notes also, because these questions are going to play vital role in your examinations. Every year questions of set pattern are asked in your competitive examinations, so we are covering only very important defense current affairs which are asked in examinations every year. Okay, and before starting, don't forget to click on subscribe button and active all notifications by clicking on bell icon, so you can get most important study material for your written examinations and strategy and technique to perform well in every test of your SSB interview, and proper guidance how to crack SSB interview so you can clear your written examination and SSB interview in your very first attempt. Okay, and please join Telegram group also, because we keep on providing very important study material there and we conduct quiz daily there. Okay, a lot of candidates attempt this quiz daily and they are enhancing their knowledge. Okay, link is given in the description box below. Right, let's start. Question number 1 is, recently DRDO has successfully test fired a new generation nuclear capable ballistic missile. The name of this missile is Agni Prime. This is the advanced version of which missile? Okay, means DRDO has recently successfully test fired the new generation of a missile, and the name of this new generation missile is Agni Prime. So question is, of which missile this new generation nuclear capable ballistic missile is? Okay, so Agni Prime is a new generation advanced version of Agni 1 missile, and the size and length of Agni 1 missile both have been reduced, and now this new version of this missile Agni Prime has become short in length and light in weight, and it has range from 1000 km to 2000 kilometers, and it can hit a target up to 2000 kilometers. Okay, and it was test fired from Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Islands in Balasore of Odisha. So this question is very important, and you have one question which is Sagarika missile, which is submarine launched ballistic missile. So question is, what is the range of this missile? Okay, please write down the answer in the comment box below and I will tell you the answer in the end of this video. Okay, let's move on. Question number 2 is, India's first indigenous aircraft carrier is going to be commissioned in 2022. What is the name of this aircraft carrier? Means Indian Navy is going to get first indigenously built aircraft carrier which is going to be commissioned in 2022. So what is the name of this aircraft carrier? Okay, so Indian Navy is going to get first aircraft carrier, and the name of this aircraft carrier is INS Vikrant. INS means Indian Naval Ship, and it is also known as IAC-1. IAC means Indigenous Aircraft Carrier 1. Okay, and it is being constructed by Cochin Shipyard, Kochi, Kerala, and this is first aircraft carrier which is being built in India, and the motto of this aircraft carrier is Jayama Sam Yudhi Spardha. See, this achievement is promoting Atmanirbhar Bharat and Make in India initiative. Okay, so this question too is very important, because this is India's first indigenously built aircraft carrier. Before it, whatever aircraft carriers we have been using, these are from foreign countries origin like Russia and Britain, etc. Okay, so this question is very important. And last time a lot of questions came from our series of current affairs, and whatever questions we provided to candidates, these were very helpful, and these questions help a lot candidates in performing well in their examinations. These are the comments of candidates who followed our videos and our current affairs series, and they performed really well in their examinations. Okay, they scored very well, you can see their comments. So for getting such kind of most important current affairs and study material, click on subscribe button and active all notifications by clicking on bell icon, so you can perform well in your examinations. Okay, let's move on. Question number 3 is, what is the name of Indian Navy's first destroyer which has recently been decommissioned? Means, what is the name of first destroyer of Indian Navy which is going to be decommissioned now? Okay, so INS Rajput is Indian Navy's first destroyer and it was commissioned in 1980, and now on 21st of May 2021 it was decommissioned at Naval Dockyard of Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. Okay, and this was not from India, it was from Russia. It was taken from Russia and it was built in Russia, and its Russian name was Nadezhny. Okay, so this question too is very important. Aircraft carriers and warships which are commissioned and decommissioned, questions related to such points are very important, and these are often asked in your competitive examinations from defense area. Okay, let's move on. Next question is, DRDO has successfully test fired subsonic cruise missile Nirbhaya. Where did this test take place? Means, DRDO means Defense Research and Development Organization, and the headquarters of DRDO is situated in New Delhi, between headquarters of Army and Rashtrapati Bhavan. Okay, so the question is, DRDO has recently test fired subsonic cruise missile and the name of this missile is Nirbhay. So where this test took place? Okay, so this missile was successfully test fired from Integrated Test Range Chandipur of Balasore in Orissa, and this is a two-stage missile and it has capability to hit multiple targets at a time. Okay, and this is used for long range. Its range is up to 1500 kilometers and it can be used in any weather, and this is indigenously developed subsonic cruise missile and it can carry conventional and nuclear warhead. So this missile is very important. Nirbhay is a cruise missile, and there is one question for you. India has another cruise missile, so what is the name of this cruise missile? Okay, which is a joint venture of India and Russia, right? So please write down the answer of this question in comment box below. And topics from which questions of set pattern are often asked every year in your all competitive examinations, like Bharat Ratna, Khel Ratna, Padma Awards, Miss World, Miss Universe, Grammy Awards, Oscar Awards, etc. We have already made videos on such topics. If you have not gone through them, so please must go through them before appearing for your examination, and the link of complete playlist of such topics is given in the description box below, and these videos are also given in I button and available on end screen in the end of this video. Okay, let's see next question. Question number 5 is, Indian and Thailand Navy have recently conducted which joint naval exercise? Means, Indian Navy and Royal Thai Navy have recently conducted a joint naval exercise. So what is the name of this exercise? Okay, so Indian Navy and Royal Thai Navy recently have conducted a joint military exercise, and the name of this exercise is CORPAT. In CORPAT, COR means coordinated and PAT means patrol, so coordinated patrol. So the name of this exercise is CORPAT, and it was conducted in Andaman Sea from 9th of June to 11th of June 2021, and it was its 31st edition. Questions related to joint military exercises are very important, and these are often asked in your competitive examinations. And from a joint military exercise there are 3-4 types of questions. Means, name of this exercise and between which two countries or many countries this exercise is conducted, and what was its venue and what was its edition. Okay, so the joint naval exercise between Indian Navy and Thailand Navy is CORPAT, and its venue was Andaman Sea, and it was its 31st edition. Okay, so this is very important question. Let's move on. Question number 6 is, who has become IAF's first woman fighter pilot from J&K? Means, recently a woman fighter pilot has joined IAF and she is first fighter pilot, means woman fighter pilot from Jammu and Kashmir. So what is the name of this fighter pilot? Who is this lady? Okay, so Miss Mavia Sudan is first IAF woman fighter pilot from Jammu and Kashmir, and she is from Lamberi village, which is located near LOC, means line of control, in Rajouri district, and it comes in Jammu division. Okay, and she has become 12th female fighter pilot of Indian Air Force. So this question too is very important and you must know it. Who is the first woman fighter pilot from Jammu and Kashmir? She is Miss Mavia Sudan. Okay, let's move on. Question number 7 is, recently Indian Navy and European Union naval forces have conducted their first ever exercise. Where was this exercise conducted? Okay, this is very important question because this naval exercise is conducted between Indian Navy and European Union naval forces. Okay, this is not between two countries but between a country and a group of countries. Okay, so that is why this is very important and this is first ever exercise, so that's why it becomes very important. So this exercise was conducted in Gulf of Aden from 18th of June to 19th of June 2021, and Indian naval ship Trikand took participation in this joint naval exercise, which is currently deployed for anti-piracy operations. Okay, so this question too is very important because it is first naval exercise, right? Let's move on. Question number 8 is, recently extended range version of indigenously developed Pinaka rocket system has been successfully tested by DRDO. What is the new range of this system? Pinaka is a indigenously built multi-barrel rocket system, and recently its range has been extended by DRDO and it has successfully been test fired. So question is, what is its extended range? Okay, so the extended range of this Pinaka rocket system is 45 kilometers and it was test fired from integrated testing range Chandipur, Odisha, and this is launched from multi-barrel rocket launcher, and this is developed by DRDO, means Defense Research and Development Organization. And questions related to Pinaka rocket system have been asked multiple times in examinations. Okay, so that is why this question is very important, and as these all questions whatever we are covering are the part of technical advancements in Indian Defense Forces, so that's why these are very prone to be asked in your competitive examinations, right? Let's move on. Question number 9 is, recently India and US Navy has conducted joint naval PASEX exercise. PASEX means passage exercise. What was the venue of this exercise? Okay, India keeps on conducting passage exercise with various countries, so this is with USA. So question is, where was this exercise conducted? So the venue of this passage exercise was Eastern Indian Ocean, and it was conducted in last week of June 2021. An aircraft carrier of USA, USS Ronald Reagan, took participation in this exercise, and this exercise helps in strengthening bilateral relations between India and USA. Okay, so this exercise is very important, and very important exercise between India and USA is Malabar exercise, right? This is strategically very important for India, especially in Indo-Pacific region, okay, to counter China, and India, USA, Japan and Australia take participation in this exercise, right? So let's move on. Question number 10 is, which country has successfully test fired airborne high power laser which has capability to shoot down drones? Okay, see, laser is used in Air Force to shoot down enemy aircrafts and enemy drones, etc. So recently a country had test fired airborne high power laser. Okay, so the name of this country is Israel. Israel had test fired airborne high power laser, and as you already know, Israel has more threat from its neighboring countries, which all are enemy countries, so it must need to defend itself. So Israel has more advanced technologies and keep on making more advanced weapons and defense systems. Okay, so Israel has made this airborne high power laser which can shoot down enemy drones in air. Okay, but lasers have some problems like thermal blooming, and when there is fog, dust, rain, smoke, snow and foam in the air, it becomes less effective. Okay, so this is the question, which country has test fired it? It is Israel. Okay, very important question. So these are the very important defense current affairs which we have covered till now, and you will definitely see direct questions from this video, and are more videos which we have already made. So if you have not gone through them, so please must go through them before appearing for your examination. Okay, and the answer of the question which I asked you in the starting of this video, which was the range of Sagarika missile. Okay, so the range of Sagarika missile is 750 kilometers, right? It is launched from submarines, from water, and questions related to Sagarika missile have already been asked many times in various examinations. Okay, so I hope this video would have been very informative for you, and if it is informative for you, so please like this and share it with your friends. And for getting more such important videos and most important study material for your written examinations and strategy and planning for cracking SSB in first attempt, please click on subscribe button and active all notifications by clicking on bell icon. Okay, so all the very best for your written examinations and SSB interview, and that's all for today. Bye for now.